Here's a pro tip for you guys. So when I teach how to make brisket at home, I find that a lot of people just take their brisket trim and they throw it in the garbage. Well, here's an easy trick for you and a way to utilize all that really good beef that you paid good money for. So buy yourself a grinder. I went to my local Academy Sports and Outdoors, paid 99 bucks for this grinder. We're gonna make hamburger meat. So I had a fair amount of fat in there as well, trying to get an 80-20 blend, which I think makes the perfect burger. Now, what you're left with is the perfect brisket hamburger. Next, the Meat Church crew is gonna make brisket burger patties for us. We're gonna season them with our holy cow and cook them on the Traeger. These babies are gonna be killer cooked in the hickory smoke. Then we're gonna top them with cheddar cheese, and it's time for lunch.